To truly unlock the potential of DJI Osmo Nano, a reliable hat mount is essential for capturing immersive, first-person perspectives that feel natural to the viewer. In this video, we have best hat mounts for DJI Osmo Nano.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Amazear Hat Clip Mount. The Amazear Hat Clip Mount stands out as a premium choice for creators who prioritize structural integrity. Capture every angle with ease using this versatile, industry-leading mount. Both the base and arm rotate a full 360 degrees, while the clip tilts up to 45 degrees, giving you exceptional flexibility. Switch smoothly between horizontal and vertical shooting, making it ideal for dynamic vlogs and fluid outdoor footage. The serrated clip opens up to 27 mm, delivering a strong, reliable grip on caps, backpack straps, or clothing edges. Built for adventure, it keeps your camera secure during activities like hiking, cycling, skiing, or running. Weighing just 24 grams, this Osmo Nano clip mount is ultra-light and easy to carry. Tuck it into your pocket or backpack and be ready to capture moments instantly, perfect for vloggers and travel photographers on the move. Made from durable ABS, PC, aluminum alloy, and magnetic components, it's engineered for long-term performance. Stable, precise, and outdoor-ready, this mount is designed for creators who never want to miss a shot. On number 2, we have Sinyutia Hat Clip Mount. Focusing on maximum flexibility, the Sinyutia Hat Clip Mount offers an impressive range of motion for users who need to adjust their framing on the fly. This clip supports full 360 degrees rotation, allowing you to easily switch between horizontal and vertical shooting and capture a wide range of creative angles with ease. Designed with multiple rows of serrations and reinforced thick springs, the Osmo Nano camera backpack clip grips backpack straps and other attachments securely and steadily. It stays firmly in place without slipping or falling, while remaining quick to install so you can focus on creating. A specially designed fixing bracket ensures a precise fit for the DJI Nano sports camera. The multi-tool structure attaches securely to backpack straps, hats, clothing necklines, and more, freeing your hands so you can capture the perfect moment effortlessly. Lightweight and highly portable, this camera clip is easy to carry anywhere. It's ideal for recording unforgettable moments while traveling, walking, hiking, skiing, surfing, parachuting, and enjoying all kinds of outdoor adventures. On number 3, we have Hesupy Hat Clip Mount. The Hesupy Hat Clip Mount is a specialized tool that emphasizes a sleek, minimalist footprint while maintaining a high level of stability. Experience true POV filming by mounting the camera on the brim of your hat, positioning it close to eye level for immersive first-person shots that feel far more engaging than handheld footage and deliver a striking visual impact. The multi-angle adjustable design supports both front-facing and overhead shooting, giving you greater freedom to explore creative perspectives. A secure snap-on structure keeps the mount firmly in place without slipping, while the hollowed-out back design allows proper airflow for efficient heat dissipation. Its ultra-lightweight build adds almost no extra burden during use and also functions as an adjustable desktop stand, making it practical for everyday shooting and viewing. The secure clamping force of the Hesupy mount ensures that the camera remains level even when navigating uneven terrain, making it a reliable companion for those who need a set-and-forget mounting solution that prioritizes safety and ease of use. So these are some of the best mounts to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.